Welcome to my 1-year anniversary bake. 1 year on this channel, my goal was to do one recipe a week, every week for 1 year. That's 52 weeks, and I think this is recipe number 50. Yeah! So I'm so delighted to have you with me. We're going to make a cherry cake. This is my anniversary cake, a cherry cake, a British classic. So stay with me, follow along. Oh, and this is one of the most delicious and easy to make cakes you're gonna possibly imagine. All of these things are going into the stand mixer. Mix it up, put it into a little tiny 6-inch springform pan, put some toppings on it and into the oven, and you have yourself a British classic cherry cake. Does that sound exciting to you? I tell you what, if you make this one at home, it will be exciting to you. And so are you ready? Let's get started. So basically, this simple recipe, we're going to put all of these ingredients into the bowl of a stand mixer, mix it up and put it into the oven to bake. So we have 1 1/3 or 165 grams of all-purpose flour. We have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Thank you, Trader Joe's. I found Trader Joe's baking powder. Isn't that exciting? Next, we have 2/3 of a cup or 110 grams of superfine sugar. 1 stick of butter, room temperature butter. Here we go. 2 large eggs. Blooch. Have to make that blooch sound. Otherwise, what's the fun of putting an egg in a recipe? 2/3 of a cup or 65 grams of almond flour. Thank you, Bob's Red Mill. Beautiful almond flour to keep my cake, our cake, moist. 1 tablespoon of whole milk. Here we go. Put all the ingredients, except the cherries and the almonds, into a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment. Start mixing on low speed until the ingredients are combined, and increase the speed and mix for 1 minute until the mixture is smooth and pale. We love our mixture to be smooth and pale, don't we? Fold 3/4 of the candied cherries into the mixture. I figure 3/4 is about 124 grams of candied sticky cherries. Here we go. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the red color. Spoon into the lined springform pan and gently smooth the top to level it. 6-inch springform pan lined with parchment paper on the bottom. Look at this beautiful batter. Or as Paul Hollywood says, beautiful, beautiful. Sorry, Paul, we're having fun. This is our anniversary cake. Anniversary cake. Can you imagine 1 year of production? Ooh. I'm so happy. Gently smooth the top to level it. Then we're going to sprinkle over the remaining candied cherries and poke them into the surface of the cake. And arrange the whole almonds over the surface and gently press these in too. Then we're going to bake for 1 hour until the cake is risen, lightly golden, and springs back when gently pressed in the center. That's what it looks like, folks. This now goes into a 325 Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour. We will leave the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes and then turn it out onto a wire rack and leave it to cool completely. Well, this is how we do it, folks. 1 year into the process, 50 bakes in 1 year, 1 a week. Plus I took 2 weeks off. Thanks so much for staying with me and coming with me on this journey. I hope you stay with me through the year ahead because there's going to be some really wonderful, yummy, delicious baking going on in this kitchen. Okay, well, we've given our little cherry cake some time to cool. Ah, look at the golden color. And so, there we have it. That is our beautiful British cherry cake with candied cherries and skinned Marcona almonds on top. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Is it time to cut the cake? It is time to cut the cake. But since this is our anniversary cake, I think we need to light a candle. 1 year of baking with Patrick Spar. There we go. Happy birthday to my YouTube channel. We're going right down the middle. I have no idea what we're going to find on the inside. Are you ready? Here we go. I just love this cake. It's sweet, it's light, it's so delicious. So if you enjoyed this video, please do click the thumbs up like button. Subscribe to my channel, because that helps us produce more yummy videos for you to watch. And I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.